You don't have to shell out hundreds of bucks to put quality earbuds in your arsenal. Read on to find out how some of the best wireless earbuds under $50 stacked up to rigorous testing, offering an affordable yet high-quality audio experience. The JBL V-Vibe Buds true wireless earbuds deliver rich, deep bass sound through their 8TM drivers, ensuring you get the most out of your music without breaking the bank. These secure, reliable earbuds feature an ergonomic bud design that fits comfortably in your ears. There are many wireless earbuds under $50 to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best wireless earbuds under $50 from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. Jabra Elite Wireless Bluetooth Earbuds. The Jabra Elite Wireless Bluetooth Earbuds are designed to deliver an unparalleled audio experience with their 6MA speakers and class-leading customization options, allowing you to enjoy rich, clear sound and punchy bass tailored to your unique preference. With the intelligent noise control feature, you can immerse yourself in your music while on the go or activate the hear-through technology to remain aware of your surroundings. These earbuds excel at crystal clear calls thanks to their 4 microphones, digital signal processing, and pioneering beamform technology, ensuring seamless connectivity and excellent call quality. The mono mode allows you to use either earbud while the other charges in the sleek, pocket-friendly case, offering up to 7 hours of battery life in the buds or up to 28 hours with the case. Number 2. Tribit Wireless Earbuds. The Tribit Wireless Earbuds are the ultimate battery champs, offering an impressive 110 hours of playtime with 7 hours of music playback per charge, and the charging case can even serve as a power supply for your phone in emergencies. These immersive sound headphones with microphones deliver hi-fi stereo sound, ensuring crystal clear phone calls, music, and video experiences, even in noisy environments. The one-step pairing feature seamlessly connects the earbuds to the last paired device without requiring you to take them out, while a simple button press on the charging case shows the battery percentage or allows you to unpair and repair devices easily. As options. Number 3. SoundPeats True Wireless Earbuds. The SoundPeats True Wireless Earbuds prioritize top-notch service, ensuring your happiness as their utmost priority. If you encounter any issues, you don't need to return the product. Simply reach out through available channels like Amazon Messages, and their dedicated customer service team will do their best to resolve the issue to your satisfaction. Certified as the world's first high-res audio semi-in-ear true wireless earbuds by the Japan Audio Society, CNET named them Best Earbuds of the Year, delivering a revolutionary breakthrough with ultimate music enjoyment and extreme comfort through an extended frequency response, reproducing delicate and fresh original sound while restoring the beauty of vocals and musical instruments. Equipped with the leading ALDC codec, these stereo headphones adopt a hybrid encoding scheme for efficient data compression, ensuring a maximum transfer rate and achieving high-resolution sound quality transmission, reducing sound distortion, and significantly improving sound quality compared to standard codecs, transferring substantially more information content through the latest Bluetooth version. Number 4. JLab Go Air True Wireless Bluetooth Earbuds. JLab Go Air True Wireless Bluetooth Earbuds boast a long battery life, offering 5 hours of playtime in each earbud and 15 in extra hours from the charging case, totaling 20 hours of uninterrupted listening. Recharge hassle-free with the charging case and integrated charging cable with Dual Connect. Use either earbud independently or both for a seamless connection in any situation, as both earbuds auto-connect to your device, ensuring clear calls with a built-in MEMS microphone in each bud. Go Air are 20 smaller than the J-Buds Air, featuring a slimmer profile and longer earbud stem for a snug in-ear fit, creating a perfect seal for crystal clear sound. The pocket-friendly case includes an integrated charging cable for on-the-go convenience. Number 5. JBL Vibe Buds True Wireless Earbuds. The JBL Vibe Buds Ultra U wireless earbuds deliver JBL DB bass sound, allowing you to get the most from your mixes with high-quality audio from secure, reliable earbuds featuring 8 MIME drivers. The ergonomic bud designed for gently sealing your ears to block external noises and enhance bass performance, with 3 included R-tip sizes ensuring the best, most comfortable fit possible, offering up to 32 total hours of battery life with speed charging for an extra 2 hours in just 10 minutes when you need more power. Featuring smart ambient technology, you can go anywhere and hear everything, with talk-through letting you instantly hear yourself and those around you without taking out your earbuds, or use ambient aware to keep the music playing while remaining aware of your surroundings. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my video description. For any kind of queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.